Mercedes-AMG is generating excitement with the highly anticipated debut of the all-new GT. They are offering enthusiasts an exclusive sneak peek at their headquarters in Affalterbach, Germany, ahead of the official unveiling. The event, called the Mercedes-AMG GT Live Sneak Preview, will take place from July 10th to 13 and includes driving experiences and meals for a fee of €450 or $492. The itinerary features a full-day visit to the headquarters, showcasing the new GT, vehicle assembly, and test drives of impressive models like the C63 SE Performance, SL63, and EQE53. This event is exclusively available to AMG Private Lounge members. Alongside the announcement, Mercedes-AMG has released a teaser image of the new GT, hinting at its sleek styling. Spy shots suggest it will share its platform with the latest SL Roadster and may feature engines from the open-top vehicle. Rumors circulate about an incredibly powerful top-of-the-line grade, rumored to deliver 831 horsepower and 1,033 pound-foot of torque. If equipped with the same electrified powertrain as the GT63 SE Performance, the smaller and lighter GT is expected to be even faster. Additionally, self-charging and plug-in capabilities are anticipated. While an official unveiling date is yet to be announced, the live sneak preview event suggests that the world premiere will follow shortly after. The first units of the Mercedes-AMG GT are anticipated to arrive at dealerships before the end of the year, offering customers a thrilling driving experience packed with power and style.